Hello, this is Apurva. Welcome to the video. I will show you how to import a data from Excel sheet into the app created using Axonator. So for now, I have created one app named as Conda. Let's open this app. Click on Form Builder. I have created one meter inspection form. Let's open this. These all are the fields I have taken in the meter inspection form. So now to import a data, we need to create an Excel sheet. So let's create first. Let's name this sheet as contact. So in this sheet, we will create a columns of all the fields which are present in the form. So let's say the first field is task ID. So we will create a column of it. Task ID. Make sure the field name and the column name must be same. Same for other. Create all the columns of all the fields. Enter number. The next field is reference task. Next is account number. Map reference. Work done. Township. Contractor. Work. Work completed. WO number. The last one is office instruction. Create extra column name as workflow and the user. In the workflow column, we will specify the name of a workflow you want to execute. And in the user column, we will specify the user to which we have to assign the task. So first, we will put some data in the sheet. task ID, let's say 101, customer name Purva, code is X2 4 49. I'm putting some random data in it for now. Urban Street 5. In the map reference column, we have to specify the lat long. The location should be in the lat long format. Something 7, 3, 8, 9. Okay. Worked in, yes. Sure. Replace the window. So workflow. So go to workflow tab. I have created one workflow here, named as meter inspection. I have to execute this workflow. So I will specify this name in the Excel sheet, which is meter inspection. Make sure the name must be same. I have to assign this task to contact@axonator.com user. I've specified one user here. So when the data will be imported, this task will be assigned to this user. Likewise, input some two more data. Now save this